The following is for entertainment purposes only. We are not financial advisors. We are not responsible for any losses, only the profits.
What's happening, Octo family? We are going to take a look at a ticker called PING, Ping, not the golf, not Ping, but something else. Identity Holding Corp. Y'all heard of them? What is this? They are the identity champions. At Ping Identity, we champion the unique identity of enterprises to simplify how they provide secure and seamless digital experiences for their workforce and customers. We help prevent security breaches, increase productivity, and provide personalized experiences. With a world-class network of partners, our singular focus is on enterprise customers and their success. It's like a digital security company, all right? Big boy digital security company. Gonna take a look at some earnings that actually came out last week. Why? Well, the stock really hasn't reacted. And I think it should, and I think it will. Take a look at this. They're big pictures, they're flexible, they're scalable. It's just showing enterprise DevOps. And then you've got Microsoft Private Cloud, Amazon, Google, SaaS. So this might get confusing for y'all, but to keep it simple, a lot of companies store data in the cloud or on digital hard drives or real hard drives, but there's in between all that is a cloud, right? There's still a middleman though in between the people, the company, the DevOps, and the clouds. These are the people, the middleman in between the clouds and the company. That way, let's say Amazon gets hacked, because you can store data on Amazon is what they do. It's called Amazon AWS. A lot of companies use that. Say Amazon AWS gets hacked, the hacker could then go straight to your company. But because we got that ping identify in between, they're going to get roadblocked. So even if Amazon or Microsoft or these other random private cloud companies, which are ones that I use, they can still get hacked. You know, it's just another middleman to help safeguard stuff. Think of it like CleanSpark. If you know anything about CleanSpark stock, it's like CleanSpark, but for digital assets. Hybrid flexibility, cloud-first solution where time to deploy and ease of use for common use cases are prioritized. Private cloud, so cloud-first solution which provides flexibility, control, and customization. So instead of using someone else's cloud like Google, you know, Amazon, Microsoft, these guys hook you up with your own cloud. So then it just goes your company through Ping to your own cloud. So if someone hacks your cloud, they're still not going to get through Ping. Then the DevOps provides maximum control and customization and flexibility of the cloud provider for regulated or highly sophisticated enterprises. All right. Powered identity security for the world's largest enterprises. You want to see the brands these guys have already got. Bank of America, Chevron, Cisco, Intuit. Intuit is a huge money-moving platform. Think of it like a PayPal, right? Progressive, Marriott, Hewlett Packard, Boeing. Y'all heard of Boeing or Netflix? How about Netflix? You want to know how Walmart and Canon and Walgreens stay secure? These guys. Isn't that crazy? 60% of the Fortune 100 companies they have. That is huge. Any company would do a lot to even get 5% of what they got of the Fortune 100 companies. 13 of the largest U.S. banks, 13 out of the 15 largest U.S. banks, 7 out of 9 healthcare companies, the largest healthcare companies, 8 out of 10 largest biopharmaceutical companies, and 5 of the 7 largest U.S. retailers, including Walmart. It's just crazy. 252 customers, APR 250K. They're saying they're averaging about 250,000 per customer, I think is what they're saying. 11% year over year growth, which is fantastic and stable. You want to know something crazy about these people too? It's residual, right? It's digital, so they got to grease anything. You know, they're not going to have a recall on the tires or the suspension system, nothing like that. They're just like programmer dudes, right? And they get monthly residual payments. It's not like they pay them to set up the cloud for them one time and that's it. They pay for the cloud and they're like, oh, and you want to increase your storage? Great. And by the way, there's a monthly fee to access all your terabytes of storage. Highlighted Q3 customer wins. So who did they grab in Q3? TransUnion. Does anyone know who TransUnion is? If you don't, you should look it up and figure it out real fast. Regardless, this company right here probably needs one of the most secure people to hook up with. TransUnion. If TransUnion trusts this company, I think we should. Sharp, San Diego's healthcare leader, multi-billion-dollar pharma manufacturer, leading Australian bank. Key financial highlights. They're actually showing from Q3 20 alone ARR growth of 17%, $59.9 million in the ending quarter of revenue. Massive market opportunity. They're saying there's still another 25 billion plus untapped. Dollar-based net retention 110%, attractive margin profile 85%. Does anyone want to own a business where you got an 85% margin? Holy Toledo. Opportunity to replace legacy and attack new markets. Attack, that's aggressive. That's an aggressive word. I like it. Legacy replacement. They're looking to replace companies such as IBM and Oracle. Greenfield expansion, MFA, API security. So they're kind of broadening out a little bit, but they're showing just monster $25 billion market. Ping Identity reports third quarter 2020 results, provides outlook for fourth quarter. The EPS, the earnings per share, was 11 cents, beat by 9 cents. So they were thinking it was only going to be 9 cents per share, but they beat it and got 11 cents per share. And the revenue was 59.9 million, which beat the 4 million projected. Okay, that's fantastic. Beats by 4 million. Oh, beats by 4 million, of course. So that's great. So everything was above. APR was up 70%. We're talking about that. If you want to come take a look at this video here, you can see the CEO guy here. He's great. He's great. He's pumping. He's not just like, well, we're just going to start doing dividends and we're going to call it good. No, this guy is still aggressive. He's like, we're taking over the world, man. So quality company with 80% margins and high repeat subscription business in the cybersecurity industry. It's been on mad money. Not only that, look at this chart. It looks awesome to me, okay? So remember I've been telling you lately, like sometimes earnings come out and before that, they have this massive run-up, right? And right when earnings come out, whether good or bad, they fall because people now take the profit. That's kind of what happened here, but not really. So this one actually ran up a little bit way before, like into September. And then people just started taking profit. Then I think because that was when we were having one of our really bad red days for the whole market in the big picture. And then people just were like, I just don't even want to touch it, I'm out. I think that's what happened here because the earnings came out and it still just dripped. That's not good for the people that bought around 36, but could be for us because right now it's sitting at like $23. Not only that, it's doing what it's like to doing on these big support lines is it's smacking it and then it's slamming right past it, bam, going right past it, but then instantly goes back up and then just starts consolidating on it. So that's what we got going on right here. You can see back here, we've touched this line multiple times. I saw this right away. I was like, oh yeah, give me that line. So we're staying like right above. Could this still drip down to March lows at 16? Yeah, for sure. It could even go to $1. But chances are, this company, I think, is a great contender. It's a great, what I like to call unicorn. In between kind of growth and value. It's kind of a growth and a value stock, man. They're still growing. Insane revenues, insane margins. I like it. Middleman plays, subscription business. What do you think? I had to let you guys know about this one fast because I think this is one of those ones where it's just going to get ready and then start popping again. I think we just had the whole scared thing happen with the earnings. The earnings were good. I couldn't find anything really negative at all. So what do y'all think? Did I miss any more information on this I really should have brought up? Please put it down in the comments. If you haven't joined our Patreon, please do it. I've been sliding you guys stuff way before everyone else. In fact, they've known about this for, I don't know, since Friday or Thursday or something. Try to let them know as soon as I can. Y'all have a good rest of the night. We'll see you out there tomorrow.
Did you know that we give away free silver? Simply leave a comment on the video, and as long as you're in the continental United States, you can be automatically entered to win. Please friend us on Twitter and StockTwits.